After usernames, Meta's still playing WhatsApp to see how it can make the platform better, and now it's revealed several new features for calls. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The platform is now letting you make calls via the web, so you no longer need to download an app to hop into an audio or video conversation with friends, family, and colleagues on your computer. You can make both one-on-one and group calls, which are supported, and there are no time limits. And if you worry about privacy, then chill, because WhatsApp says web calls are still encrypted. WhatsApp is also making sure you get the same calling experience on web as you do on your smartphone, as all its usual call features are available on the web, such as screen sharing and reactions. You'll be able to access your favorites and call history too. And the best part, you'll be able to transfer WhatsApp calls between devices, so it should be easy to move between mobile, tablet, desktop, and the web. Other new features include a waiting room for group calls that have a require approval to join option enabled. Would-be participants might kick their heels until you can grant them access to the call. There's also a tool that minimizes background noise, while video should start streaming in HD much faster on calls. WhatsApp says it's gradually making these features available to all users. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.